क्या कर रही हैं आप फ्लावर के साथ? No. Okay, so I'm gonna connect the अब नहीं गिरना चाहिए. Okay, so what I have to say is that things are not normal. What are you doing? So, मैं तैयार हो चुकी हूँ और जो है आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई मॉम. वो भी नमाज़ पढ़नी है और अभी उनको बहुत टाइम लगेगा. मैं जल्दी तैयार हो गई थी तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट रिकॉर्ड समथिंग इन द गाड़ी. दिस इज़ अबीहा. हाय. मैं पीछे से ब्लॉग में तो नहीं आ रही थी. You were trying to come in the vlog. Anyways, so मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स हुए हुए तकरीबन 15 दिन होने वाले हैं. 25 नवंबर को मेरा लास्ट एग्ज़ाम था एंड देन आई हैड अ वाइवा जो कि पोस्टपोन हो गया था. दैट आई एम नॉट श्योर कब होगा. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर आई मेड अ व्लॉग इन अगस्त दैट आई wanted to go to the seaside but I could not, and that might seem weird to you, but to me these little things, specifically the water bodies and specifically the sea, holds a lot of value. I am attracted to the waves and it gives me a different kind of pleasure, so I love going there. कितनी भी बार मुझे ले जाओ मुझे मसला नहीं होता. But the thing is that even though I live in Karachi and I live not that far away from the seaside, but still बहुत कम होता है निकलना. And it becomes really difficult for us to leave house. और हम अगस्त में निकले थे after 9 months I guess, and उस वक्त समंदर बंद था because of the lockdown. And after that हम 1 साल बाद मतलब दोबारा जा रहे हैं समंदर. नॉट 1 साल बाद उसके, बट लास्ट टाइम 2019 में आई वेंट टू द समंदर इन्हीं दिनों में. सो हम अभी जाने की कोशिश करेंगे एंड वील सी. I hope that Samandar is open now and I get to see the waves because I really do need it and it is therapeutic to me. And after staying in home for so long, I really do feel there is a need of going there. So, abhi Baba aayenge, then we'll go. And I look good isme na because of the sunlight, and I think that I should make more vlogs in the car. Ye aasan hai. This location is very easy. Just open your gari. But there are some people who are judging me, specifically the guys, because this is Sunday. और Sunday को हमारी तरफ जो है people play cricket. तो there are so many guys over here. तो हम कैमरा बंद करेंगे. समंदर आने वाला है और वो बंद भी नहीं है. This हवा has something so beautiful in it. The smell of the sea. I feel so good.
A little later.
So guys, we are finally at the sea and it is open and I can see the waves and I'm so excited to go there. Here is it, the beauty. Finally. Finally at the Samandar, something that I waited for so long. But as you can see that I look excited but not that excited as I was a few months ago.
जब हमें कोई चीज़ बहुत अरसे बाद मिलती है, समथिंग दैट वी डाई फॉर एंड वी क्रेव फॉर एंड वी डोंट गेट इट ऑन टाइम, और फिर बहुत अरसे इंतज़ार करने के बाद व्हेन वी गेट इट, then our mind takes a little longer to actually process that moment. So my mind is processing this moment, and I feel so blessed and I feel so light here. Feet looks weird, but and we are almost there. Okay, sorry, overthinking. Where is my sister and brother? Since I'm myopic, I gotta wear my chashma to see where my bache are. Oh, there they are. And there is my mom. There she is, and she is photographing. I don't know what. She loves photographing. She was coming with me and she stopped over there to photograph the sunset. She's so pretty. Now she is photographing me. Well, I hope so. She is calling me because she wants to take a picture. I know why is she calling me. She's calling me because she wants to take a picture of me with the swans. I don't know what this bird is. She's saying इनकी वीडियो बनाओ. Okay, so mom told me that they are seagulls. So अभी हम इनको उड़ाएंगे. I hope that I'm not attacked by the seagulls, but they are afraid of me. No, भाग रही लोग. So we are finally here. You can see the waves, that beauty, and it is approaching me. This is a blessing. Alamia, thank you so much for the samandar and the rain and everything that has water in it. And for us, we are 70% water. Oh, cuties. Oh. Life is beautiful. Life is more beautiful at the sea. What is blessing? Sometimes we don't understand how blessed we are. For example, I was feeling so bad kal that I don't have this and I don't have that. But अगर मैं आज देखूं तो I have my loved ones and I am present at the place which I love the most. What else is called blessing? Earlier, and we are feeling so energetic and
so
it feels so calm here. Look at the beauty.
Now we have to say
I don't want to go. Do you want to go? But I have to go because it has been an hour we are here, or that's it. If you are in Karachi and you have not seen the sea, you are living your life so wrong. You have to come here because sea has all the blessings Allah Mia has given us. अब हम घर की तरफ जाएंगे तो I don't want to go and she doesn't want to go, but we have to, and it was a very good day, very very good day. और जो है पानी वो थोड़ा सा बढ़ रहा है बिकॉज अभी बहुत कम थी यहाँ, वेव्स अब ज़्यादा होती जा रही है. I want to go over there, but mom does not allow. This is the end of the vlog and mom is calling me, so we are gonna leave. Bye bye Samandar. Stay the same and I'm gonna come here again. Bye bye. Peace.
वक्त, कितना अजीब है ये वक्त भी। कल जो लम्हा मेरा अपना था, आज न जाने कहाँ खो गया। जिस रोशनी की तलाश में थी, वो क्यों आज मद्धम हो गई। कल जो ख्वाब बुने थे मैंने, आज तसव्वुर कैसे खो गया। जिस राह पे साथ चले थे हम तुम, वो राहें कब की छूट गई। शायद यही है जिंदगी, गुजरते लम्हे बदलते लोग। नए ख्वाब, नई सोच, शायद यही है जिंदगी। इस लम्हे में, इस हवा में, इस लहर में, मुझ में, शायद यही है जिंदगी।
मेरी तरफ पानी फेंके।